In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to verify your Wix site with Google. This process involves obtaining a meta tag from Google Search Console and then adding it to your Wix site. So let us dive straight into it. To start, you need to obtain the meta tag from Google Search Console. For this, you'll need to head over to Google Search Console and sign in using your Google account. If you haven't done this before, setting up this account is a straightforward process and will give you access to many powerful tools. Once you have signed in, the next step is to add your Wix site as a property within Google Search Console. If you have already done this previously, then you can skip this step. If not, go ahead and add your site. The next big step is choosing your verification method. For this tutorial, we will opt for the HTML tag verification method. Once you select this option, Google will provide you with a unique meta tag. Now, make sure to copy this meta tag. This tag is crucial as it will help Google identify and verify that you are the owner of the site you are trying to verify. Now that you have copied the meta tag, it's time to move on to Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and go to your site's dashboard. From there, you will need to navigate to the SEO dashboard of your Wix site. Once there, look under the Tools and Settings section and select Go to Site Verification. This will take you to a new page where you'll see the verification options. Next, you will need to click on Google to expand its options. Once the options have expanded, look for a designated field to enter the meta tag. Paste the meta tag that you copied earlier from Google Search Console into this field. It's important to make sure that the format of the tag you've just pasted matches exactly with the one provided by Google Search Console. Once the meta tag has been pasted into the field, click on Save. The final step is to complete the verification process in Google Search Console. Head back to Google Search Console and locate the Verify button for the HTML tag method. Click on this, and Google will then scan your site for the meta tag. If everything goes as planned, Google will successfully identify the meta tag on your Wix site, effectively verifying that you are indeed the owner of the site. And there you have it. This is how you can verify your Wix site with Google. It's a simple process and a crucial step in optimizing your site for search engines.